Hello, dear students, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming topic, introducing family members in Mandarin. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently discuss your family and ask others about theirs. Ready? Let's begin. New vocabulary. 家 family, home. 有 have. 几 how many. 口 mouth, measure word for family members. In Chinese, the character 口 primarily means mouth. However, it's also used in various contexts and phrases. For instance, 几口人 translates to how many people in the family, where 口 is a measure word for family members. 爸爸 dad. 妈妈 mom. 哥哥 elder brother. 姐姐 elder sister. 弟弟 younger brother. 妹妹 younger sister. 我 I me. 两 two. In Mandarin Chinese, 两 is used instead of 二 when referring to two of something with a measure word. For example, 两个苹果 means two apples. 个 the most commonly used measure word. 和 and. A special note on reduplication in Chinese. In Chinese, many terms for family members are reduplicated words. The second character in the words is often pronounced in a neutral tone, giving it a softer and quicker sound. This is known as 轻声 or light tone, neutral tone. For instance, in words like 爸爸、妈妈、哥哥、姐姐、弟弟 and 妹妹, the second character has neutral tone. How to ask how many people are in your family in Chinese? 你家有几口人? Literally, your family has how many people? Read out me, please. 你家有几口人? 我家有5口人. My family has 5 people. 爸爸、妈妈、妹妹、弟弟和我。Dad, mom, younger sister, younger brother, and me. Describe your family size in Chinese. For instance, if you have 2 elder brothers, 2 elder sisters, a younger brother, and a younger sister, you'd say, 我家有9口人. My family has 9 people. 爸爸、妈妈、2个哥哥、2个姐姐、1个弟弟、1个妹妹和我。Dad, mom, 2 elder brothers, 2 elder sisters, 1 younger brother, 1 younger sister, and me. Now let's practice asking and answering about the family members' names. 你爸爸叫什么名字? What's your dad's name? 我爸爸叫黄大伟. My dad's name is 黄大伟. 你妈妈叫什么名字? What's your mom's name? 我妈妈叫张珍珍. My mom's name is 张珍珍. 你妹妹叫什么名字? What's your younger sister's name? 我妹妹叫黄星星。My younger sister's name is 黄星星。你弟弟叫什么名字？ What's your younger brother's name? 我弟弟叫黄庆庆。My younger brother's name is 黄庆庆。Now it's your turn to introduce your family. Homework. For your assignment, please comment below introducing your family members and their names using today's structures. We are excited to get to know your families. Always remember, talking about family isn't just about language practice. It's a way to share and connect. 再见 Bye!